This video will focus on aligning individual questions from exams or homework assignments to performance indicators in Canvas. To connect individual questions to a performance indicator, it is first essential to individually import each performance indicator into the course to be aligned with questions. To accomplish this, select the Outcomes button that is on the left ribbon of the Canvas page when the Outcomes panel opens. The command to use is find. When find is selected, this will bring up the performance indicators that are associated with your program. Each selected performance indicators you wish to align will be imported individually into your course. The next step is aligning the imported performance indicator to a set of questions. To align a group of selected response questions, such as multiple choice, the specific questions can be aligned to a performance indicator from within question banks. To get to the question banks, select the quizzes link and then click on the 3 vertical dots at the top right of the quizzes. Each time a quiz or test is created, all of the questions automatically get filed in a folder titled Unfiled Questions. To align questions to a performance indicator, a question bank will have to be created for each performance indicator to be aligned. For example, if your performance indicator was focused on critical thinking, a question bank must be created with that title. Once the folders are created for each performance indicator, the unfiled question folder is then opened to select the specific questions for the specific selected performance indicator. In the unfiled questions folder, or whatever you named the exam, all of the questions that are created for that exam can be found. From this folder of questions, individual questions can be aligned with performance indicators. To do this, you click on Move Multiple Questions. This will bring up a window that shows all of the questions in your exam and all of the available question banks. The questions to be aligned to a performance indicator need to be selected. Once you select the questions that need to be aligned with the performance indicator, then you select the performance indicator folder in which those questions need to be aligned. Then you select Move Questions. Now, by doing this, the questions are not moved out of the exam. They are aligned to a performance indicator group. Move does not mean remove questions out of their test, but aligns to a specific question bank for the performance indicator. Once they are aligned with the performance indicator folder, once the questions are aligned in the performance indicator folder, open that performance indicator folder, and then you select Align Outcome. In the window that appears, you will then select the performance indicator for which the performance indicator folder of questions are to be aligned. Then select Import. And now they're aligned. The answered responses for each question in the aligned bank will be recorded for the performance indicator. The metadata will come with that score data, enabling sorting to the student identifier, the date recorded, the applied semester, and all necessary data for each time the question has been answered. There are many online tutorials for creating selected response assessments, sorting questions into question banks, and aligning question banks to outcomes. On our Kansas State Assessment website, we also have guided instructions. The next video will describe the difference between assessing performance indicators and assignment scoring.